In this video, I will be showing you how to convert a PDF to a presentation in Gamma AI. Let's get started. From the Gamma dashboard, I'll start by clicking the Create New AI button to begin the process. Next, I'll select the option to import file or URL, which allows me to transform existing content into a new format. I'll click Upload a File and browse my computer to find the PDF I want to use. Once I select my document and click Open, I'll wait just a few seconds for the system to finish uploading the file. Now, I need to decide what I want to create with this content, so I'll select Presentation and hit Continue. This takes me to the prompt editor where the AI has already generated a comprehensive outline based on my PDF. To refine the look of my slides, I'll go to the text settings and change the amount of text to minimal for a cleaner, more visual style. Then I'll scroll down to the visuals section to pick a theme. After checking the format settings, I'll click Generate and watch the AI work its magic. The tool begins building the presentation slide by slide, creating high-quality layouts for generative video platforms, AI avatars, and technical comparisons. It even designs a professional implementation strategy diagram at the end. Once the generation is complete, I'll scroll back up through the deck to review the finished product. To save the presentation, I'll click the Share button in the top menu and navigate to the Export tab. I'll select Export to PowerPoint, and the AI will begin preparing the file for me. Once the processing is done, the PowerPoint file downloads automatically to my device, ready for use. And there you have it. That's the complete process of converting a PDF to a presentation in Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.